Push it down. There we go. Oop. Are we in the way? Did you hear that? Did you hear it? That buckled right there when he's cutting. There we go. So they're going to take those big, are they going to take those big, huge sections up there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Take all three of them.
No, I know that, but I didn't expect it to be logs that long. That's cool. They're going to take that whole tree down, that dogwood? Yeah.
It ain't nothing but a stick.
Now, yeah. Poor thing.
The battery not lasting worth a two.
It's not even a round tree. It was a flat tree. I said it wasn't even a round tree. It was a flat tree. Well, they're making some money, Janice. If they get this done in less than 2 hours, and they've been doing this all day, yeah, they're going to make some money.
They've been doing it all day.
Are they going to move that stump too? His chain's stuck, I think. There we go. Got it. Was that on the back of the truck? That was the front loader? Front lifter? Oh, okay. I was wondering if they were. It's not really a front loader. Whatever it is. It's like a bobcat type. Yeah. It's a nice piece of machinery, I'll tell you that. And you know, yeah, it is. Brandon used something like that with a plow on the front in the wintertime. Or a bucket. It had a bucket on it. That's what it was. And he would use that to move snow in the winter.
I had one like that, but it wasn't that
Wow. Yeah, they got on down there. They got on money. And people working together, you know, that's the other thing. And people working together, you know, you should get some in there who thinks they know